Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Focus radiator. First, gather your tools, including a wrench set, pliers, and a large drain pan. Safety is paramount, so ensure the engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical or cooling system work. This prevents accidental shorts and ensures your safety throughout the process. Once prepared, locate the radiator drain plug, usually at the bottom. Place your drain pan underneath to catch all the old coolant. Open the plug and let the system drain completely. This might take several minutes. After draining, use pliers to release the clamps and carefully disconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses from the radiator itself. Be ready for any residual coolant. With the hoses disconnected, you'll need to unbolt the radiator mounting brackets. These typically secure the radiator to the vehicle's frame. Next, disconnect any electrical connectors leading to the cooling fan. There might be one or two, depending on your specific model. Once everything is unbolted and unplugged, carefully lift the entire old radiator and fan assembly out of the engine bay. It can be a bit heavy. Now, carefully lower your new radiator into the engine bay, ensuring it seats correctly in its mounts. Reconnect all the radiator hoses, secure them with their clamps, and plug in all electrical connectors for the cooling fan. Bolt the radiator back into place, making sure everything is snug. Finally, refill the system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Bleed any air from the system and check for leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.